The London Home Show is the capital's #1 event for first-time buyers. It's a free event. You can come and chat to all the people that you need to know under one roof, whether that's housing providers, developers, financial experts, conveyancing solicitors, mortgage brokers.
Live sessions including RC expert presentations, first-time buyer workshops, and we have affordability seminars as well to help you discover if you can afford to buy a home.
It gives first-time buyers the opportunity to get a whole load of information, digest it, and then make an informed decision moving forward.
My #1 top tip for first-time buyer: do your research.
Start off with knowing what you can afford. Make sure that you have sufficient savings to cover the cost of buying.
Go and have a really good look around the areas that you're considering.
Look to the future. What are you going to need in a few years' time?
Checking planning applications of buildings around your building.
Read the lease.
Really just get out there, view properties.
Shared Buy is the country's largest and leading first-time buyer property portal. We promote homes through all different alternative housing schemes: shared ownership, London Living Rent, discount market sale, discount full ownership, and all of these other kind of alternative housing schemes.
I work for Legal and General Affordable Homes. We are selling shared ownership properties. We have developments such as the Moorings in Brentford, the Acer Apartments in White City.
We're Dutton Gregory Solicitors. We specialise in affordable housing schemes. The right lawyer who understands the transaction from start to finish is so important.
Sensio is a specialist mortgage broker specialising in shared ownership. We've been doing it for over 16 years.
Peabody are one of the largest housing associations in the country. I'm here showcasing Zone Oval Village in Vauxhall.
The Goodness Partnership, we've got Leaside Lock over at Bromley 50 Tube Station.
We have Square Roots. We've got Kingston, which is a 52-unit scheme that we've just launched 2 weeks ago.
So Resi is shared ownership residence. We've got Bracknell, we've also got 9 Elms.
L&Q is a housing association. I deal with Barking Riverside and New Marketplace.
We are Notting Hill Genesis. We have Aspect Croydon, Perfume Factory in North Acton.
Redloft have homes based all across London and the South East.
Southern Housing, we've got some developments in central London, in Hackney, in Bethnal Green.
Site Sales Property Group. We cover 25 sites in London. We have a particular focus now on East London as well, with schemes in Canning Town and all the way up the River Lee and into Stratford.
HomeViews is a trip advisor for new homes, so you can really learn what it's like to live in a specific development or to buy off a specific brand.
We are Humphreys & Co solicitors. We act for buyers, sellers, those doing staircasing.
When I was a first-time buyer, I wish this was an event because I would have been here in a flash.
We wanted to see what sort of options are available.
A lot of initiatives that you wouldn't have known about. You can't scroll through the internet one day, but I feel like you can get so much more information here.
I realized that it's totally possible for us to buy something sooner than I expected.